11 years after the passing of one of the world's most celebrated recording artists to date, Michael Jackson, his Neverland Ranch has been sold for a whopping 22 million US dollars. Hi again and welcome. This is Links007 TV Celebrity Scoop, and we'll be right back with the details of this to come on the program. We ask you, please remember just to like, share, subscribe to the channel, click that notification bell and click on all so you're always notified whenever we post new videos. We'll be right back after this short break. Hi again and welcome to Links007 TV Celebrity Scoop, where you get the latest news, views, and trends on celebrities. You'll also find out who's been naughty and who is being good. Right here, both local and international news on celebrities, Links007 TV is the place to be. Welcome back and thanks for joining us for the program. This is Links007 TV Celebrity Scoop. On June 25th, 2019, we got a sad news and the world was in shock following the sudden passing of the world's most celebrated singer, Michael Jackson.
We're getting some breaking news coming into the situation right now from about Michael Jackson, the king of pop. Both the Los Angeles Times and CBS News are both now reporting that Michael Jackson has died.
Well, that was the news that made rounds in 2009, June 25th to be exact, after it was announced that the great pop star himself, Michael Jackson, had passed away. And this sent shockwave throughout the entire music fraternity, as no one was expecting this news after the singer was gearing up for his worldwide tour during this unfortunate and unforeseen circumstances. So we're going to bring you up to date now with the latest that we have to bring to you in relation to the sale of his Neverland Ranch, which was up for sale for 100 million US dollars in the initial stage, and however now it was actually just sold for 22 million US. So we're going to bring you up to date with this right now. So Michael Jackson Neverland Ranch has reportedly sold for 22 million, less than a quarter of its initial 100 million asking price to billionaire investor Ron Bottle, in a deal that is been described as one that is solid as steel. The property, located in California, was home to the late pop star from 1987, when he was at the height of his fame, to the time of his passing in June 2009. He died of an apparent drug overdose at a different home in the neighboring community of Los Angeles as well. And this would have been one of the places where Michael Jackson would have stayed on numerous occasions. Of the two Jackson properties, Neverland is set out on 2,698 acres of land, was far better known during the 1990s, according to the publication. And this would have been Jackson's fantasy house as well, that he created just in order for his own personal comfort. The ranch also featured an amusement park, train rides, among other things to enjoy. At the time of the sale of the property, it was co-owned by Jackson's estate with a fund managed by Colony Capital, a real estate investment trust. Jackson originally paid $19.5 million for the ranch, but has defrauded on a loan backed by the property, and it was placed into a joint venture with the trust. The property includes an expansive covered barbecue area, which is perfect for outdoor entertainment, and adjacent to the pool. Pool house and tennis court are also included on the property. At the time Jackson lived at the property, he installed a forward clock at the gates of the estate that spelled out Neverland, a name that comes from a course that Michael would have been so instrumental in, and he will be forever remembered as the great king of pop. But the property is actually out of the Michael Jackson's hands right now, and the Jackson's family are so happy about the sale of it. I'm not sure whether or not they're actually happy. However, he was in a lot of financial troubles, and this property was actually up for sale for some time now, from 2015, with a whopping price tag of that time of $100 million, and the property was actually sold now to a billionaire, Ron Buckle. Well, we'll continue to follow this story and keep you up to date with this one. This has been Links 007 TV Celebrity Scoop. Peace out and bless.